Salut à tous, I'm Maslamo and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make sugar-free jelly. So I bought this pack of gelatin powder and this bottle of juice, and I'm going to try to make sugar-free jelly using these two ingredients. So first thing, I'm going to open this. First thing, I'm going to empty one packet here. Let's try it. Unfortunately, this packet doesn't have proper instructions on it. It just has a flan recipe, but it says one sachet sets 568 milliliter of liquid, so I guess we'll use that. So first thing, I'm going to add a little bit of the juice to the gelatin powder. First thing, I'm going to shake it, and then I'm going to add some. This is 80 milliliters if you want to know. And now I'm going to whisk them. Smells so weird. Okay, after that I'm going to heat the rest of the juice a little bit. So I'm going to go heat it and come back. Okay, so I felt like one sachet is too little for the amount of juice that I have. This is 1 liter sugar-free juice. So I'm just going to add some more juice to the mixture and another sachet of gelatin. And mix. This is how the mixture looks like right now. Oh, you can't see it. Well, okay, this is how it looks like. So now I heated the juice just a little. I didn't let it boil. Now I'm going to add it gradually to the mixture of the gelatin and mix it at the same time. Never mind, I'll just add it all. Okay, so I put all the juice here. Now I'm just gonna mix it very well. It smells kind of weird. I think it's all mixed. Now I'm going to add an optional ingredient. This is completely optional, but I'll add a fruit cordial to the mixture, just to add flavor. This is sugar-free, by the way. And I'm also going to add 1 sugar here. This is also completely optional. If you don't want it to have any sugar, you can skip this step, but I'm also adding mulberry syrup. Okay, so I mixed the fruit, I mean the juice with the gelatin very well. And now I'm going to pour it into this plate, serving plate, whatever. Oops, it's a little too much for this one. I'm going to get some more molds. And here I have some strawberries, frozen strawberries that I thawed and then chopped. So I'm just going to add some on top for decoration. Don't worry, I washed my hands. And I'm going to keep some for the rest of the molds. Now I'm just going to show you how it looks, what it looks like before freezing. I mean, refrigerating. So the next thing I'm going to make today is salmon. So I have here 3 salmon steaks, sorry, for me and my siblings. And for the marinade, I'm going to add mustard. This is spicy mustard. Okay, I think that's enough. And Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how it's pronounced. This sauce, you all know it. I'm going to add a little bit. That's because I don't have soy sauce, but if I had soy sauce, I would add soy sauce. And black pepper. Dried coriander. Some honey, because I like it to be sweet. I'm not gonna add salt because the Worcestershire sauce is already sweet, so no need to add more. I mean, it's already salty, so there's no need to add more salt. And now I'm just going to mix all of these things. Oh yeah, I forgot to add pesto. So here's some pesto. Okay, that's enough. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just to make it thinner. It's already very liquidy, but I want it to be enough for the 3 steaks. Oh yeah, and I forgot one last thing. It's the minced garlic. I'm going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Next clove. Oh, did I say cloves? I meant bulbs, sorry. And the last one. And that's it for the marinade. Now I'm going to get my steaks and I'll poke them as much as I can. I'm going to poke each one very vigorously like this so that each one can absorb the marinade very well. Okay. Okay, they're all ready. Now I'm going to brush the marinade on top of the steaks. Actually, I have a better idea. This is the air fryer drawer. I'm going to cook them in the air fryer, so I think it's a better idea to put the marinade while the steaks are in the air fryer so that none of it falls down. Okay, remove this. Here are the salmon steaks. Now I'm going to brush this. I'm going to use all of it because I don't want any to go to waste and I want it to be very flavorful. And now they're ready to go into the air fryer. It smells so good already. So I'm going to put them in the air fryer for 20 minutes and I'll show you what I'll do next. So the next thing I'm going to make is qatayef. Today I bought this organic whole wheat qatayef. Yesterday I bought oat qatayef. Today it's whole wheat. So I'm going to stuff them with two stuffings. The first one is white cheese. The second one is a mixture of nuts that I made. Nuts and date powder with coconut powder and honey. I'm sure you don't want to see me folding all of them, so I'm just gonna do one in front of you. And of course I'm going to air fry them, not fry them in oil, because it's way healthier this way and it's even tastier. Okay, it smells good. I'm gonna start with the nut mixture. Oh my god, it's so hard today. It hardened in the fridge. I'm going to add some in here. And now I'll try to close it. This is for dessert, by the way. Kind of exploded from this side, but it's okay. I'll consider this successfully done. Now I'll finish all of them and put them in the air fryer. So the last thing I'm going to make today is a beetroot smoothie. Actually, it's a red smoothie that has so many red stuff. First thing is beetroots. Second is purple cabbage. And then we have, for the fruits, we have pomegranate and frozen strawberries. I'm going to add all of this. And I'm going to add some more stuff. I'm going to add chia seeds. Two large tablespoons. Actually, I'll make it 3. Okay, and then I'm going to add some hibiscus leaves. These will give it a very refreshing flavor. And the last thing I'm going to add is Arabic gum. It's really good for gut health. So I'm going to add a small piece, or maybe 2 pieces. And now I'm going to fill